This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel all. So this week, as we do every Monday, sell our calls and puts. On Monday of this week, we actually sold some stock and we were just giving it a few days to settle in the account. So we're going to check and see if that's been settled and look at buying some puts this week. So jumping into the account here and going straight to balances, we can see now right here under settled funds, it has settled in the account. That's one thing. If you have a margin account, usually it settles right away, but if you don't, it usually will take a couple of days for that to settle. And you know, once you get into this and you've been doing it a while, if you need things to settle quicker, you can get what's called a limited margin account. Since this is a Roth IRA and the IRA accounts, you can't technically get a full margin account, but you could get a limited margin account. So looking at this, we have roughly $7,300 on hand in cash. So I'm going to go up to trade and go to chains, options chains. And the first one we're going to look at is Corsair Gaming. Now this, you know, we usually do our puts and calls every Monday, but if you wanted to be more conservative, I suppose you could say you could do these on Wednesdays also. Looking at it, since today is Wednesday, it's only 2 days out. So you don't have to do it on Mondays. That's just something we do on the channel every Monday. But you can wait. You could even do this on Friday. You know, the closer to the expiration date, the less you will get for something, but the less risk you will be paying also. So looking at Corsair Gaming, is currently at $33.56. The bid is at $33.54. We're going to look at this. We're going to sell a $32.50 call. This is the one that I want. So once you find the one you want, again, as always, click over here on trade. So this is Corsair reading this. Expiration is here in a couple days. We're going to do a $32.50 strike price. This will be a put option. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 1. The market is open right now, so we're just going to do this as a market order. I'll review and submit this. That was a $32.50 put, so that will subtract $3,250. It gives us $4,050 left. Again, I'll go back up to the top, hover over trade, go to options chain. Okay, we're going to look at blink charging. This is one we've used in the past. We're going to come down to chain here. I think I'm going to do the $37 blink put option. So when we find the one we want, click over here on trade, and reading this, it is blink, expiration to 1837 strike price, put option, sell to open. We'll do a quantity of 1. We'll just send this as a market order. I'll review and submit this one. Okay, that one has been submitted also. We can see since the market is open, it's already populated the blink and the Corsair Gaming. So let's check history. And looking at what we received, we got for blink $36.25, and for Corsair Gaming we got $39.35. And we updated the $26.35 and the $39.35. That's what, about $66 added. And if we look at the $14.35 and the $49.35 from earlier this week, it brings the week total to $129, somewhere around there. So $129 total for the week. So this can be done on Wednesday midweek. It actually can really be done any day of the week. But that right there, those two where we made what, about $50 or $60, I literally could do that in about 40 seconds. That's how quick and easy this takes. You just, especially if you're on your phone, once you're used to it, you just hit 2 or 3 buttons, done. You just made $60 in a few seconds. So This is something that everyone can do. It's open to everybody. You just got to make sure you have options on your account. This can be done in a regular broker account as well as Roth IRA, HSBA, Roth IRA. It can be done. Most of them do allow for options. So again, guys, if you found value in this video, we'll appreciate a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week.